guys, how's it going? Have you ever heard about teachers in China? Specifically, English teachers. Do you like to teach English? Alright, in China you will teach English for 4 hours per day and you will get a salary as $3,000 per month. So it's easy, right? And you will just play with the kids every day and then you get salary $3,000 per month and your flight tickets, visa and your accommodation, all of them on the company you are working with. So it's easy, right? So go ahead and do this. All what you have to do to get a visa and go travel there, and we're looking for a company of teaching English. It's in everywhere. It's public work, therefore anyone can do this. So in this short video, I'm telling you how to travel there, and you can follow our channel English Explorer to know more about this and how to get a visa to apply for it and travel there to work as English teacher and get $3,000 per month. Okay, and we will tell you how would you apply for this visa and get accepted. So see you later guys, and don't forget to make subscribe for our channel if you are the first time watching this video.